Oi, bruv.
Oi, bruv.
All right, so wanted to make a quick little video today, tonight, reviewing the Hondata Reflash for the RSX Type S. I'm in John's car right now, and we're super excited because he just got his Reflash. So we're gonna do a quick little, probably like a quick couple polls, like get some impressions on like if it changes like the normal driving, daily driving, and see what it does for like the acceleration and stuff, and kind of just butt down out of the car, see what it feels like.
Do a 20. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. That was fast.
Was it?
Impression, it felt a lot faster, like on the low RPMs. Like it just felt like it pulled like way more evenly than the like the stock tune, I guess. And I guess like I can't really tell if it has anything up top, but that's like what I noticed so far. Switching driver time. All right, so now I'm gonna give it a try because I really want to get a tune for my car. So I'm gonna give it a little go, see how I like it. And John has been so gracious. I'm gonna do like, maybe like a, I'm gonna do like a 1-2.
Do what feels right. Oh. Oh yeah, that's definitely faster. What the fuck? I mean, low key, but
did I feel the difference though? Like
I felt. Well, I've never sat passenger when someone's done a pull in my car.
It's harder, like as a passenger. Yeah. It goes way harder.
And the road's kind of shit, so like, yeah, it's not really like.
That felt.
Did it feel anything?
This feels smoother than my car because I have coilovers on mine, but.
And the torque curve is like pretty like flat and smooth.
But it felt way like. It didn't. You know.
Yeah, no.
The VTEC didn't engage also abruptly and fast.
Well, the thing is, it's weird. They're like, I was reading reviews and they were saying how like it's not. They're just saying it's quieter. I haven't really like looked into why, but they're just saying that it's quieter and shit like that. And like, and they're saying full throttle it'll like VTEC will like come in at like 52, but if you're just like easing into it, it'll come in around like 58.
So basically the car feels good. It doesn't feel any different like daily driver wise. Like it does feel like it does have more power in like the higher gears, like 5th and 6th, if you're like really bogging the engine down. It feels like it has just a little bit more like torque, I guess. And that's really about it. I mean, I don't know what else to say. John?
Yeah, I agree with that. Like I feel like we'd have to do a side-by-side type of thing to really see the difference, you know?
Yeah. I'll do like a third, ease into third. Yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
Get the left.
Yeah. I felt it kick in at 52.
Like a lot more torque way down low, and I didn't even notice the crossover, like the VTEC.
Yeah, you really gotta like pay attention to it, but I felt it at 52. Like it's just not as noticeable as before, you know? Because before it would like really kick in at like 58.6-ish area, and you would just like hear it.
Yeah.
But now it's just like, it's more just feeling instead of hearing.
If you want to talk to the camera, you can like...
I don't want to flip it around. I don't want to show my face.
Why not?
Maybe I should. How do you flip it?
Alright, so, final impressions. Would I buy this? How much was it?
$290.
$290. I think I would probably buy this. I don't know how fast the car is though, but the car does feel better or faster. So I would put my money on it that this car is going to be faster than my car. if we were to put them head to head right now. So I would say yes, I'd buy it. It's definitely worth $290. What I'm planning on doing is going the K-Pro the K-Pro route. So don't know what that's gonna be like. We'll have to figure it out and cross that bridge when we get to it.
Yeah, the only reason I went Reflash was because I didn't care about all the tuning capabilities. I just wanted to like actually have my like mods do something.
Yeah.
You know, so I think
understandable.
Completely understandable. You feel me?
Yeah.
So I think for those that just, I'm not gonna show them, whatever. For those that just like have full bolt-ons or whatever, just like intake headers, exhaust, that just want something out of it, but don't really want to pay like, how much is K-Pro? I think it's like 600.
No, it's like 700.
700, and don't really care about like having all the tuning capabilities with like K-Manager and all that. I think the Reflash is a good happy medium, you know.
Exactly. Well said, John.
Very well said.
Well said, sir. Bruv.
Oi, bruv.
Oi, bruv. All right, so that was my review of the Hondata Reflash for the RSX Type S. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, catch you guys next time. Peace out.
Bye.